Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to use split view on an iPad. So the split view has two ways of using it, and the iPad which I am using is an iPad of M1 generation. It doesn't matter which iPad you have, this should work on all the iPads provided they are somewhere above like 15 iOS or 17 iOS, but they should work. So let's see how it's done. So split view is nothing but multitasking. So there are two ways to do it. The first one is, say you are watching YouTube right now. So I've opened YouTube app. Say just assume that I'm watching a YouTube video and I want to take notes. So the easiest way to do it is, at the very center of the application you will find these three dots. You can click those, and from the menu you will select the second option, which is split view, and once you select that, the window slides over and now you can select whatever application you want from the iPad. Say for example I want Keynote, so I'll click here and the screen automatically adjusts for the Keynote, as you can see. So now this was the first way. The second way is, let's go to the home screen again. Here say I have a browser open and evidently also I'm using YouTube over here, and now I want to take notes. So what I can do, from the bottom you can pull up the bar or the dock, and whatever icons are on this dock you can only use those in this method, but it is much more user friendly. So let's see, if I want to use say Chat GPT, which is a icon present over here, I'll just select the icon or tap on the icon and drag it on the left or the right, and you can see the screen changing. So if I select it on the right or put it on the right, you will see the screen changing, and just have to leave it as it is. And now you have Chat GPT on the right and you have YouTube on the left, and you can start typing in Chat GPT as well. This works with all the applications unless it is a game. So this is how you use split view, and in these two windows, if you have to change anything, again you will find the same three dotted icons at the center of the application, not center of the iPad, center of the each application. You can tap in there and you can change this particular application to the full screen again. So this is how you use split view. Thank you for watching.